Hi everyone, in this video, we will show exactly how to fix the blurry story on Facebook. To start, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're here, tap on the menu from the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. In this section, tap to open the settings. Scroll down until you see the option of Media. Tap to open it. Now here, you need to make sure that the video quality is set on optimized and not on data saver. Because when it's on data saver mode, Facebook will automatically lower the resolution of the media, which will make the story blur for you. So it is advised to set the quality of media on optimized mode to have a better quality. Also, sometimes a slow or unstable internet connection can cause images and videos to appear blurry on Facebook. Ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. If you're using mobile data, try switching to a Wi-Fi network.